I added fabric sulfano to the mask and never had this problem again. To start this tip, we will need a disposable mask. With the help of scissors, I will cut one of the sides. Next, I will remove the elastic of this part. We will need it to do this tip. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching, so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Frank Nathan from New York. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. For the next step of this tip, I will use a lime. With the help of a knife, I will cut him first in half and then in small pieces. Best of all, with only 2 ingredients present in our day-to-day, we can make an impressive product to eliminate the bad smell and keep the bathroom fragrant. You will never need to spend money on those expensive products sold in supermarkets. I do it myself often in my house, because it really works. After cutting the lime, I will transfer it into the mask. Even your friends will ask you to teach. Tell me if you know any home tips to help with cleaning. I'd love to know. I'll also add some cloves. Even the most difficult stains to remove will come out only with a light brushing. This little trick with just 3 ingredients is enough to transform the way you clean your bathroom. Using the elastic we take off, I will tie the side. We cut the mask to ensure that none of the lime pieces will fall out. I have no doubt that you will come back here to thank me for having taught you this amazing tip. That's how the mask needs to look. To perform its application, simply open the lid of the toilet. Let's put our tips supported over the discharge button. This way I'm doing it. After doing this, just close the lid of the toilet and trigger the flush to see the magic happen. Even your family will ask you, what is the secret to keeping the house so fragrant? To improve the result, just perform a light brushing. I hope you enjoyed this tip. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.